How to fix Gemini Error 1152. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for Gemini. And once Gemini loads up, you want to go ahead and simply click on the information icon near the address bar and then tap on cookies and site data. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on manage on site data. After that, you want to go ahead and simply clear Gemini cache files. Once that's done, you can go ahead and simply tap on done and refresh the page. If the issue isn't still fixed, simply tap on the three dot, scroll down, then tap on settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply scroll down, tap on extension and disable all browser extension. After that, reopen Gemini and check if the error is fixed or not. If you're still experiencing the problem, you can use Gemini through Google AI Studio as an alternative. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.